আগে শুনতাম, আজকে বাস্তবে দেখলাম এখানে যারা এসেছেন অনেকেই হচ্ছেন মা, বাবা, কেউ প্রফেশনালে এখানে কোর্স করে নিজের প্রফেশনকে আরো বেশি এগিয়ে নেওয়ার জন্য কাজ করছেন। প্রিয় দর্শক, আজকে ওয়েমলি স্টেডিয়ামে প্রায় 6,000-এর মতন মানুষ, তাদের মাথায় যে মুকুটটি পড়লো, এই মুকুটের অন্যতম কারণ শুধু শিক্ষা নয়। আজকে আমরা ওয়েমলি স্টেডিয়ামে আসলাম, কথা বলবো এখানে যারা তাদের গ্রাজুয়েশন কমপ্লিট করেছে এবং এই প্রতিষ্ঠানের নেতৃস্থানীয় ব্যক্তিবর্গের সাথে।
Hello everyone. My name is Anna and I'm from Romania.
আপনি বিশ্বের যে কোনো দেশে অবস্থান করলেও আমাদের সাথে স্বল্প মূল্যে হজে যেতে পারবেন। বাংলাদেশ ও সৌদি সরকার অনুমোদিত আল ইসান ট্রাভেলস, ধূপাদিকির পূর্বপাড়, সিলেট।
I'm so happy to be here. I'm so glad to be here. I'm so proud to be here. Thank you very much, GBS. Thank you very much, our teachers, my colleagues, and my family.
It is very amazing and fantastic day for me to be graduated by Global Banking School, and it was very my dream was to complete my graduation. You know, as a young person when I came, I couldn't finish my degree, so GBS give us opportunity to complete my degree. So I study business and tourism management. Especially, I'm really thank you all the GBS team, especially all the journalists, those who are came here today and basically helping us to introduce a community. Especially, I would like to our Bangladeshi community, as we Bangladeshi community, our journalist brothers here. So I would like to all our parents, our elders, education is never end. We need to try our best. It doesn't matter age. If you come, if you have a plan to complete your degree, GBS is always here to help us. So we need to come and complete our degree, and it will really give you boost. Sometimes we feel, oh, I'm old, I can't do that. But believe me, when you come to for education, and if you have a dedication, definitely you will achieve your goal by your courage, by your enthusiasm, and GBS team will help you.
The journey was fantastic, 4 years of journey. When we got into the education long time ago, we did not have this technology to learn. And now this is available for everyone, whoever want to learn, whoever want to get their fresh education and wants to know, move forward with their career, they all can learn. The opportunity is there, you just have to grab it. And I did. I received a first class graduation. Thank you.
My first degree was 2005, sorry. And then I have to stop my studies for family reason, financial reason. And when I moved to England, I found this opportunity to start again my studies in 2022. So imagine from 2005 to 2022, that gap, I said one day I will be graduated in a high studies in a university. Today I'm here, I'm graduated, I'm really happy, and I want to thank my classmate who is first class, I'm second class, no problem, but we have do it very well. We have studied very hard.
Beautiful journey together.
My enrollment start 2021 September, and during 4 years I have done my bachelor degree. My subject was business management and tourism. With this journey was very complicated because I am a full-time worker as well.
My name is Abdul Malik and I'm from Wembley, and it is a privilege to do this course, construction management. It was a very hard but nevertheless with determination I've succeeded in the passing this, and I hope everyone can also do the same route as me.
আমি আজ গ্রাজুয়েশন পাইলাম, আমি খুব খুশি। এখন তারা মানে বিবেদ আমার খুব তারা হেল্প করছে, আমি খুব ভালো লাগছে। তারা আমি খাইতে বড় তারা লোকে আমি আসলাম, আমার খুব ভালো লাগছে আর আমি very happy.
Many thanks to all of you, all the medias. You came today to cover our grand graduation ceremony. Today is the second day. We are doing it here. Yesterday was there as well. So almost over 3,000 students are receiving their awards degree yesterday and today in both days. We are very proud of our students because they work hard, very hard, because they all maximum are mature students having family, work life, but still they manage their time, dedication, and the hard work made them graduate today, their own hard work. And if you want to know more about GBS, please visit Global Banking School website www.globalbanking.sc.uk.
Many congratulations to all the graduates and their families. When a person graduates, it's not only their hard work but the family that supports them throughout those 4 years. I wish you all the best. Go out there, land those career opportunities, start those businesses you've been thinking about. Now you're fully equipped with all the skills that you require to start, and we are always here for you through our alumni network. So please stay in touch and smash it.
Looking to expand your business in the UK? UBM takes care of everything. Company registration, UK bank account, pay, insurance and tenancy. Start with UBM. Expand with confidence.